welcome to Easy English Podcast. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Tom. We're so happy you're here today.
Yes, we're really excited. Today, we have a special topic for you.
We're going to talk about feelings, how to express your feelings in English.
This is so important because feelings are part of every conversation, right, Tom?
Absolutely. Whether you're talking to friends, family, or coworkers, you need to share how you feel.
And sometimes it's difficult. Even in your own language, talking about feelings can be hard.
That's true. So learning to do it in English is really valuable.
Before we start, if you like this podcast, please subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and click the like button. It helps us so much.
We make these videos to help you speak English naturally, so your support means everything.
All right, let's jump in. Lisa, I want to ask you something.
Sure, what is it?
How are you feeling today, right now, in this moment?
Oh, that's perfect for our topic. Well, I'm feeling really relaxed today. I had a nice breakfast and I'm ready to teach.
That's wonderful. I'm feeling pretty good too, but maybe a little sleepy.
Sleepy? Why is that?
I stayed up late last night watching videos online. I know I shouldn't do that, but I did.
Tom, you need better sleep habits.
I know. But see, we already used some feeling words. Relaxed, good, sleepy.
You're right. We're already teaching and we just started.
So Lisa, let me ask you about your weekend. What did you do?
On Sunday, I visited my sister. I haven't seen her in a few weeks, so I felt really happy to spend time with her.
That sounds nice. What did you two do?
We cooked dinner together and talked about everything. She told me about some stress at her job.
Oh no. How does she feel about that?
She felt worried and a bit upset, but after we talked, she said she felt better.
That's good. Sometimes just talking helps, doesn't it?
It really does. When we share our feelings, we feel less alone.
Exactly. And that's why today's topic is so useful for English learners.
When you can talk about feelings clearly, you connect with people better.
Okay, so let's start teaching properly. Lisa, when someone asks you, how do you feel? What do you usually answer?
Usually I say, I'm fine, or I'm okay. It's the easiest answer.
Right, those are common. But fine doesn't always tell the whole truth, does it?
No, it doesn't. Sometimes I say I'm fine when I'm actually not fine at all.
Exactly. Many people do this. So today, we want to teach you more specific ways to express feelings.
Let's start with happy feelings, positive feelings.
Good idea. Tom, when did you last feel really happy?
Let me think. Yesterday, my friend sent me a funny video and it made me laugh. I felt happy and cheerful.
Nice. So you can say, I felt happy, but there are other words too, like delighted.
Delighted. That's a stronger word than happy, right?
Yes, it means very happy. You might say, I felt delighted when I received a gift.
Or I'm delighted to meet you.
Perfect example. Now, what about excited? Do you use this word often?
Oh, yes. I feel excited when I'm planning a trip or when something fun is coming soon.
Great. Can you give us an example sentence?
Sure. I feel excited about my vacation next month.
Excellent. Now, here's another positive feeling. Thankful.
Thankful means you appreciate something, right?
Exactly. You can also say grateful. They mean the same thing.
Like, I'm thankful for my health, or I'm grateful to have good friends.
Perfect examples, Lisa. Being thankful is an important feeling.
Now, let's talk about another word, content.
Content. That means you feel peaceful and satisfied. Not super excited, but just good.
Yes, calm and comfortable. I feel content when I read a book at home.
That's lovely. Or I felt content after finishing my work today.
These are all positive feelings. But Tom, life isn't always positive, is it?
Unfortunately, no. We also have difficult feelings, and it's important to talk about those too.
Yes, because keeping difficult feelings inside can make them worse.
So let's talk about some common difficult feelings. The first one is sad.
Everyone knows this word. It's when you feel unhappy.
Right. You might feel sad when something disappointing happens, or when you miss someone.
For example, I felt sad when my friend moved to another country.
Good example. Or I feel sad when I watch certain movies.
What about upset? Is that similar to sad?
Yes, but upset is a bit stronger. It means you're bothered by something.
Like, I felt upset when someone was rude to me.
Exactly. Now, another difficult feeling is nervous.
Oh, I feel nervous sometimes, like before a job interview or before speaking in public.
That's very common. Nervous means you feel worried about something that's going to happen soon.
Can you give more examples?
Sure. I feel nervous before exams, or she felt nervous on her first day at work.
Those make sense. What about scared?
Scared is when you feel afraid of something, maybe something dangerous or something that frightened you.
Like, I feel scared when I watch horror movies.
Perfect. Or he felt scared during the storm.
Now, let's talk about anger. Angry is a strong feeling, right?
Yes, very strong. You feel angry when something unfair happens or when someone treats you badly.
But it's important to express anger in a healthy way. Don't shout or break things.
Exactly. You can say, I feel angry when people don't listen to me, or I felt angry about that situation.
Using words is better than using actions.
Absolutely. Now, here's another common feeling. Tired.
Oh, everyone feels tired sometimes.
Yes, tired means you have no energy. You need a rest.
I feel tired after working all day, or I'm tired because I didn't sleep well.
Great examples. What about bored?
Bored is when something is not interesting. You feel like nothing is happening.
Right. I feel bored when I have nothing to do.
Or I felt bored during that long meeting.
Now let's talk about a very modern feeling, stressed.
Ugh, everyone knows this one. Stress is everywhere today.
Yes, stressed means you feel pressure. Too many things to do, too many problems.
I feel stressed when I have many deadlines.
Or I'm stressed about my exams next week.
What do you do when you feel stressed, Tom?
I try to take deep breaths. I go for a walk. I talk to someone. These things help me.
Those are good strategies. Okay, let's talk about some other feelings. What about confused?
Confused means you don't understand something. It's not clear to you.
Like, I feel confused when people speak too fast in English.
Perfect example. Or I felt confused by those instructions.
What about surprised?
Surprise can be positive or negative. It means something unexpected happened.
I felt surprised when my friend visited without telling me.
Yes, or I was surprised by the news.
Now, here's an important question. How do you actually use these words in sentences?
Good question. The basic structure is very simple. I feel plus the feeling word.
Like, I feel happy or I feel tired.
Exactly. And if you want to explain why, you add because.
I feel happy because I passed my test.
Or I feel nervous because I have an interview tomorrow.
You can also use when to show the situation.
Right. I feel relaxed when I listen to music.
Or I feel excited when I travel.
Now, what if you want to talk about the past, how you felt yesterday or last week?
Just change to past tense. I felt instead of I feel.
I felt sad yesterday.
I felt excited last week.
Easy, right? And if you want to talk about a longer period of time, you can use have been.
I've been feeling stressed lately.
Or I've been feeling really happy these days.
The word lately means recently, in the recent period.
Yes, very useful word. Okay, now let's talk about asking other people about their feelings.
The most common question is, how are you feeling?
Or simply, how are you?
If someone looks sad or upset, you can ask, are you okay?
Or what's wrong? Or is something bothering you?
And here's important advice. When someone shares their feelings with you, listen carefully.
Yes, show that you care. Say things like, I understand, or I'm sorry to hear that.
If it's positive news, say, that's wonderful, or I'm happy for you.
These responses show empathy. Empathy means you understand how someone feels.
It's very important in communication.
Absolutely. Now, let's do a quick review of everything we learned today.
Great idea. First, we learned positive feelings: happy, excited, delighted, thankful, grateful, content.
Then, difficult feelings: sad, upset, nervous, scared, Angry, tired, bored, stressed, confused.
We learned the basic structure. I feel plus the feeling word.
We can add because to explain why or when to show the situation.
For the past, we used I felt. For longer periods, we used I've been feeling.
And we learned how to ask others about their feelings and how to respond with empathy.
This is so useful for everyday conversations in English.
It really is. Now we have a question for you, our listeners.
Yes, we want to hear from you.
Here's our question. What feeling do you experience most often in your daily life?
And why do you feel that way? Tell us in the comments.
For example, you can write, I feel happy most often because I love my job.
Or, I feel stressed most often because I'm very busy.
Or, I feel content most often because I enjoy simple things.
Please share your answer in the comments. We really want to read them.
And you know what? Writing your answer is great practice for your English too.
Exactly. You're using the vocabulary we just taught you.
So go ahead, write a comment right now. Don't be shy.
We'll try to read and respond to as many as we can.
All right, everyone, we're reaching the end of today's episode.
Thank you so much for listening and learning with us today.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps the podcast grow.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button.
We make new episodes regularly to help you learn natural, real English.
Remember, talking about feelings is not weakness, it's strength.
Don't be afraid to express how you feel. It makes you a better communicator.
And it helps you connect with people on a deeper level.
We'll see you in our next episode. Until then, keep practicing.
Have a wonderful day wherever you are in the world.
Take care of yourself and be kind to others.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye. See you next time.